Alright, let's do this again. We are not live, but we are at the Moose cabin. This is the 2000 that he scored. A very, very nice 2000. And he has our 3rd generation single pill low drive driver module, which a lot of guys up here in Chicago have now. And if you remember this guy, this video on this. So this is now in its natural habitat. I don't have my headset, so the sound might be a little squirrely. Well, I just want to give you guys a taste. You know, we never show them where they go. We never get to see them at home where they live. But, you know, you sit back here, you know, and Moose is my boy, so, you know, he's giving me permission. Look at this. How could you not sit back in here and just be fucking happy? Anyway, let's get a look at this radio. Now, this is one of those MFJ meters. J meters. While it is very wants to be truthful, let's put it that way. Don't want to lie to you. But however, when you get these new guys, you got to watch them. Right now, our power's on 4-pill solid state BIRDCAGE, built by who? Me. Okay. Now you see it bounce almost to 1,000 in here. What you got to realize is 500 and 1,000 we're on that scale. You see right there where the 500 and 1,000 is? There's like 4 tickers in there. That's 100 watts of crack. Now you read the farthest one it bounces off of on the peak scale. That was an easy 7. No matter which way you look at the meter. So he's cracking 700 watts a peak out of 4 pills. Is that way impressive? No, but let me tell you what it is. The 2 bad antennas, 2 bad noise filters, several bad coaxes, and this amp has never popped. It's always popped. It's always ran. Never popped. On bad loads. It's incredible. Everybody that's watched what's going on with this BIRDCAGE cannot believe that 4-pill has not gone up in flames, because we did have some problems here at the shack. So, and that's, you know, we're kind of buttoning some stuff up now. We got them up a little higher in the air. So this is what you can. This is what you can do with a 2000. Believe me, folks, this man is freaking loud. You hear Moose coming out of Chicago, you better wave at him, because this is what he's talking on. And it's all 409 radios, from the microphone that's modified to that radio that's modified and lined up perfectly to that hand-built from scratch from nothing BIRDCAGE 500 right there. He's smart. He let me do it all. He let me take my time. He let me get it done. Now, what you going to do with this, guys? That's a hell of a station right there. You guys need to look around, find some nice ones like this. Some nice ones like this. And even if you don't send them to me, find somebody that knows how to make them stout again. Make them viable. Stuff that does it, you shouldn't die. We got the Mr. Moose station saying 7-3 solid of you. Be safe.